far as anybody in earshot of us, I know we have some viewers over near the Chesapeake Bay, so you folks, especially near rivers, near the bay, some coastal flooding will be occurring, especially later today and tonight and into the day tomorrow. So we'll say Thursday p.m. through Friday p.m., 1 to 3 feet above normal high tide levels there. And we've got the tropical storm warnings, of course, up and down the coast, right through Virginia and North Carolina. Right now it's a Category 2 hurricane. And it's going to likely remain a Category 2. Sustained winds are 105. Category 3 would begin about 111. And it should start to move north and eastward here during the day today, and especially tonight and tomorrow, moving away from the coast and eventually weakening to a Category 1, and then an area of low pressure moving up toward the British Isles up in that direction as it kind of follows that Gulf Stream pattern, which most of these do because that's a nice river of warm water. All right, well, what else is behind? You see Erin way up there on the upper left, and then behind that, that other red cone is another system that will likely develop and get a name. That too, though, is likely to follow the same pattern. It should not be as strong. There's another one that could be developing, that little orange X down there, a 40% chance, and then if you look right off the coast of West Africa, another cluster of clouds. And that's where these seedlings are born, and then they move over the warm summer Atlantic water there and gain energy. Right now, look at that. We're seeing some twilight, so partly to mostly cloudy skies. We've had some rain showers this morning. We're in the 70s. It's quite humid with dew points in the 70s as well. And there's a couple of rain showers there. We had one pass through here earlier this morning, moving south. And these are the outermost bands of the circulation. You can see another band kind of heading toward the outer banks there. But not a lot of rain is expected out of this, and on time here, the trough that is going to carry this away is showing up, so that's why it should start moving north and eastward later today. The hour-by-hour forecast, just a couple showers or a little drizzle, otherwise a little bit breezy at times. We can have gusts 25 or a touch higher, maybe 35 or higher near the bay, maybe approaching 40 in some spots, or a touch higher even. And then we'll see some clearing tonight into tomorrow, mostly sunny skies, nice and dry for us Saturday as well as things become more tranquil. 79 today, mostly cloudy, a few showers, a little patchy drizzle here and there, otherwise some breaks in the clouds as well. And then more clearing arrives for us tonight. Will drop into the 60s, but remaining breezy. Erin moves away, and that other system will try to approach and should kind of meet a similar demise, moving away from us. And then there's a couple little bits of energy here and there, but nothing at this point for the next week or so looks to be too dramatic, but we'll keep an eye on that. But things start to get really nice here. Friday, Saturday, dry, a chance for some thunderstorms Sunday, Monday. Some much cooler air then settles in again next week with overnight lows in the 50s.